Today, we are celebrating a very special moment here at the Make Math Moments headquarters. Our Chief Academic Advisor, Yvette Lehman. You may have heard her voice on the podcast. You may have seen her in any sort of meetings that we've had. You may have seen her in person presenting with us as we travel across North America. This is her 1-year anniversary, her official leap into the position of Chief Academic Officer here at the Make Math Moments team. We are so honored to have her as part of the team. Now, she was part of the team years leading up to this, but she's embarking on 1 full year of full-time leaping into this new role of hers here with us, and we can't be more proud to have her as part of our team. She's been a huge part of the support that we're providing to our districts across North America, not only in our coaching sessions, in our group coaching sessions with those leaders, but also in our in-person sessions that we're doing across North America as well, and traveling. She's been easy to travel to different locations and follows us to do those types of things. So amazing. She's been doing live virtual sessions with teachers from all across all across North America every single month, and making such an impact for our teachers' confidence in math, their understanding of math, and for their students. It's a huge piece of what we're doing here at Make Math Moments. Could only be possible with Yvette in the work that she's been doing. So if you hear Yvette's voice today, or if you see her in person, if maybe you're seeing her on YouTube, leave a comment, send an email to her, send an email to us. Congratulate her 1-year anniversary here at the Make Math Moments team. Can't be prouder to have her as our team member. So Yvette, congrats. 1 year down, many more to come.